Left-handed crocheters, let's learn how to make a double crochet stitch. To begin a new row, chain 3 to give it the correct height, and then yarn over and insert your hook in the indicated stitch. Yarn over again and pull through the stitch. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn your hook over and draw the yarn through only 2 loops on the hook. You will have 2 loops left. Now yarn over again and draw it through the remaining 2 loops on the hook. You have made your first double crochet. Let's do it again. Yarn over and insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over again and draw through the stitch for 3 loops on your hook. Work the loops off 2 at times as you did before. Continue to make a double crochet in each stitch across the row. Notice how much taller it is than a single or half crochet stitch. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video where we will learn how to treble crochet, the last stitch in your beginner series.